Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Okay, so I am going to show you how I achieve this halo eyeshadow look. This is my first time doing a halo look, so I'm pretty excited to see how this would look or how it would turn out. So I'm going to be priming my eyelid using a Becky Sue primer I bought from Amazon. Okay, so to achieve this look, I'm going to use both of these palettes by Juvia's Place, the Nubian palette 1 and the Nubian palette 2. And in this palette here, I'm going to be going in with this shade for my crease. Okay, so next shade that I'm going in this palette is this one here. And I'm just gonna do tapping motions. I'm not gonna like blend or anything. Just gonna tap that across. I've been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. This is the EO5 and the BB brush set. I'm going into this shade here at the top, and I'm also going to use the tapping motions. Okay, so I did use the second shade. I'm going to go back in and put that back in. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the darker brown and add that back in my crease just to darken it up a little more. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how I attempted the halo look. I know some of you already know how to do this, but for the ones who don't, I'm gonna show you. I mean, it took me a while to to get this too, so yeah. So I'm gonna start as if I'm getting ready to do like a cut crease. I'm just gonna go above my lid. And I'm just gonna look up, wherever it hit, that's where. Some start at the bottom, but I like to do mine like right in the area, because it'll like give me that like where I'm gonna start. I don't know, I'm bad at explaining stuff, so. So that's how I'm doing it. And I'm just gonna use tapping motion. I'm not gonna go all the way far out, but that's how far I'm gonna go. Let's see, I'm gonna try to make this as even as possible to look like the other side. And then once I think that I have it, okay, once I think that I have it, the way that I like it. I'm just gonna drag it down. So I'm gonna go into this palette here, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I haven't even used this palette, so this is my first time using this palette on my channel. So I'm gonna go into this shade here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into this palette here, and I'm gonna use this shade right here to like blend it on the side. You'll see. Like I said, I'm horrible at explaining stuff, so I'm just gonna tap it. I'm not even gonna do anything else. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. I had to redo this eye. I was so mad, but I got it done. I redid it because I had put on some liquid eyeliner, and I messed it up, and I have to like wipe it all off and redo it. So what I'm gonna do is do my face off camera and come back with the finished look. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with the finished look. I know that you like it. So for my first time doing a halo look, I think I did a pretty good job. I was struggling a little bit, but I got it together. I'm gonna keep practicing though. I really like this. I like the color and everything that I put together. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.